Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best DC power supplies for labs and electronics repair. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Programmable DC Power Supply Laboratory Adjustable 30V10A 60V5A equipped with RS-232 communication and 4 memory storage functions. This programmable DC power supply offers flexibility and control, featuring adjustable outputs of 30V10A and 60V5A. Ideal for complex lab applications and professional use. The advantages of this DC power supply are programmable settings for convenience, multiple memory storage functions, RS-232 for external control. The disadvantages of this DC power supply are complex setup for beginners, higher price point. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Wanptek DC Power Supply 30V10A5A Variable Bench Power Supply. This adjustable lab power supply from Wanptek is ideal for testing and repair tasks with its variable output range of 30V10A, 60V5A, and 120V3A. Its compact design and reliability make it a valuable tool for labs and DIY workspaces. The advantages of this DC power supply are versatile voltage and current options, compact and durable, stable output for consistent performance. The disadvantages of this DC power supply are limited digital display details, not suitable for high-power applications. At number 3. 30V10A Lab Adjustable DC Power Supply with 4-digit LED display featuring both USB-A and Type-C ports with fast charging. This lab DC power supply offers accurate 30V and 10A adjustments. The 4-digit LED display and encoder adjustment make it easy to control, perfect for a variety of lab and repair applications. The advantages of this DC power supply are fast charging with USB-A/Type-C support, high precision with 4-digit display, encoder adjustment for smooth control. The disadvantages of this DC power supply are limited storage settings, larger footprint on the workbench. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Alientek DP100 Adjustable DC Power Supply 30V5A Compact and Portable. The Alientek DP100 provides 30V and 5A of adjustable power in a lightweight design, ideal for lab and portable use. This digital bench power supply combines precision and portability, suited for both professional and home lab settings. The advantages of this DC power supply are lightweight and portable, precise digital control, easy adjustment options. The disadvantages of this DC power supply are limited to 5A output, basic features may not suit advanced labs. At number 1. Wanptek 30V10A DC Power Supply Adjustable Digit Display High Performance and Versatile. This adjustable DC power supply offers a clear digital display with options up to 30V and 10A. It also includes voltage regulation capabilities of 60V5A and 120V3A, making it an excellent choice for both laboratory and repair work. The advantages of this DC power supply are wide voltage and current range, easy to read digital display, adjustable for versatile use. The disadvantages of this DC power supply are bulky for some workspaces, may have limited advanced features.